morning, everyone. It's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. Yesterday, hubby came home with a bag from Morden's Chocolate Company here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And I had asked him, what is that? So he says, oh, it's a little something. I said, is it something, I asked, is it something I can open on camera? He said, sure. So I asked him, is there yarn in there besides chocolate? He said, you'll have to open it. So this was yesterday. So today I'm like, all right, nice and quiet in my house, so I'm gonna open it and see what's in there. Yeah, so stay tuned to the end. Okie dokie, we're all set up. Let's see what's in here. Sorry about the glare on the bag. It is mordenschocolate.com. It's in Winnipeg, Manitoba. So let's see what it is. I love chocolate. I love yarn. I don't think there's yarn in here. All right, let's see. Woo-wee. Okay, what's this? Premium chocolatier and custom nut roasting. Mordens of Winnipeg since 1959. Winnipeg is in Canada. Sorry about the glare. Isn't that cute? Wow, let's just see what's in this little box. Pretty little ribbon. Oh, I guess I'll just slide it off. They have a really nice, oh gee, sorry about the glare. Nice sticker. Did I open it upside down? Oop, everything's falling out here. Oh! Let me straighten that out. Oh my goodness. Okay, those are eyeballs. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at. It's even got some blood in those eyeballs. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Okay, what is this? Ooh, these are macaroons. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy, yummy. Macaroons. Okay. I don't feel any yarn yet. Okay, these are like, okay, macaroon might be a brand name, though, you know, they make their own at Morden's, though. These are like a rosebud type of thing. Oh, they have really good chocolate, you guys. They must if they've been around since 1959. And they're not far from where I live. Okay. Oh, these look like some kind of, oh, it looks like sugar. I thought it was coconut, but it looks like sugar. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Where's the yarn? Just kidding. Okay. All right. So, if you're still here, would you like to win some chocolate from Morden's? What you need to do is watch this video. Wow. Look at. They have action. I'm going to eat these soon, so I'll get my fingers all over them. Look, there's a pupil in there. Can you see the pupil? Wow. And they're blue. I have blue eyes. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's white chocolate. I don't mind white chocolate. Okay, so we're going to have a giveaway. You want to win some chocolate from Morden's? Okay, open worldwide. I'm just going to send you a little package. Just so you could try them out, right? I don't know if you can actually order online because they do have a website. Maybe you can. I don't know where they ship to, but, or if they ship. But anyway, I want you to write in the comments, I love your eyes. How's that? I love your eyes. Just work it into a sentence or something. All right. So thanks for joining me to watch this lovely chocolate video. See you all soon. Bye. I'll see you all soon. Oh. It exploded in my mouth. Like an eyeball. Oh my. Woo! That is good. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what flavor that is in there. But it went kaboom! Like an eyeball would. Of course, I don't know that for sure. Oh my gosh, that is so good.